everyone. So today we're going to be unboxing our new Apple iPad Air. So let's start.
Can we show the box first? How
So
it looks?
here's the box. It's I've bought the purple version. So
Is this the latest one?
yes, it's the latest one. It's the fifth generation.
And what is the configuration of this?
It is 64 GB
How much
RAM.
RAM it is?
It's
64
64
GB
GB RAM.
And is it color? What is the color of this?
The color is purple.
Okay, that's nice. Let's start.
So let's start.
So one thing, there is no plastic cover on this. Why?
Big,
Apple has stopped giving plastic covers, correct?
yeah.
Okay, that's good. Ooh,
Right.
feel like
Satisfying.
satisfying. That's good. That's good. Good. Kara's personal iPad Air. Wow.
Okay, so now for the satisfying.
What all things? No. Can you just show me what all things are in the box? This is the iPad Air. This is the
iPad. This is
some documentation.
this is the
Some documentation stickers. Then
this is the plug.
plug,
This
adapter,
is the
charger. Very good.
Charger.
That's
Now for the satisfying part.
That's really nice. Oh, it looks really nice. What's the color of this?
Purple.
Okay. Good. Nice. Can you make it straight? Don't. Are you happy?
Yeah. So these are the things included in the
Box.
box. We have some instructions manual.
Let's the magic begin. Switch on the Wow. The lucky apple logo is here. Wow. Let us say
Hello.
Click on that. Scroll up. English. India. Continue. Where is the part? This one. I can't show you the password. You have to type it. No.
So now guys, my Apple is restored and it looks all new. And so we'll send more feedbacks about this and we'll send a new video of course. So happy Father's Day. Bye. Have fun. So guys, we've got the Apple Pencil which is the second generation. So now we'll unbox this too. Satisfying. Very satisfying. See it, there's my name here. You can customize it. You can customize your pencil by your own. Write your name or write it.
Yeah.